to the Tiny Football with Papa.
Guys, today we are gonna cook a very quick pasta.
Yeah.
Zucchini and bacon.
Yeah.
Pancetta.
Yeah.
It's gonna be very quick, less than half an hour. I'm gonna be helped by my assistant Aurora, and we are gonna cook pasta, zucchini and bacon or pancetta.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yes!
Let's start. The first thing we do is we take our nice strip of pancetta or bacon and we cut it in slices, in strips like that. But the first thing we want to do is we want to get rid of this skin on the outside. So it's gonna take me a few minutes to clean the piece of pancetta or bacon, and then I'm gonna show you how to make strips out of it. Now that we have our beautiful bacon cut up, pan on the heat, a bit of olive oil, and when the oil is hot enough, it's time to put the bacon in and let it slowly and gently cook for a few minutes. When the bacon will become crunchy, we remove it out of the pan, and then we are going to cook the zucchini in the same pan. While the bacon is gently frying in that olive oil, we get our zucchini and we create some slices like this. Pam, pam, pam. When your bacon is nice and crunchy, like so, it's time to remove it off the pan and leave it in a dish for now. Now in the same pan where we cook the bacon, we chuck a clove of garlic in the same fat. This is gonna keep also the taste a bit more intense. We chuck the zucchini in. Senti how they fry. Fantastic. And we add a bit of salt, pepper and boiling water for the pasta to make everything a bit juicy. Pepper, salt, and in a while we add also a bit of boiling water. 5-6 minutes, maybe 7, and the zucchini will be ready. Zucchini are cooking. The pasta is boiling. Pinch of salt for our pasta. And now we add rigatoni garofalo today. Look at this nice pasta. Mamma mia. Rigatoni in here. About 9-10 minutes. And then while this is cooking, we keep look at this. We keep making our zucchini and then at some point we are going to remove some of this. We are gonna mix it with some of the pancetta that we cooked before, some Parmesan cheese, Parmigiano, and then we blend everything to create a nice cream that we're gonna add to the pasta at the end. Couple of more minutes and we are ready to do the final steps of this fantastic recipe. The zucchini is cooked. Now we take a spoon of the zucchini and we put it in our blender. Maybe another one. We are gonna add also some of the pancetta of the bacon from the other side. Now in here we add a bit of Parmigiano, Parmesan cheese, like a spoon or so, and then we blend. Un po' di acqua. And that's it. This is our nice cream. Look at that. If you want to add a bit of water, you can do it, but I prefer it quite thick. Amazing. Right, zucchini at low heat. The pasta, 1 more minute, is gonna be ready. We chuck the pasta in here and then we mix everything up. 1 more minute. Now everything is coming together. Let's get rid of the garlic. Let's put our pasta in the zucchini pan. That's it. Now we mix it up. We will add a bit of boiling water for the pasta, from the pasta, as we see fit. This is going well for now. Now we add the bacon. Stays crunchy. That's it. Look at this. And then a few dollops of our cream that we made before. Look at this. Pop. Pop. Let's mix it up. And we add the water if we need. I think we will need. Maybe not. Cream is coming. Bit of water. Stir it up. Ah, yeah. Look at this beauty. Look at the cream. Everything comes together, guys. Ah, yeah. I can't wait to try this. Now, of course, you can put some more cheese on top if you want, or just pepper. I'm just gonna go with pepper. And this is ready. I can't wait, guys. Look at this. Black pepper. That's how it's done in Italia. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook to know how to cook authentic Italian food in your house. Today I made pancetta and zucchini pasta, bacon and zucchini. Look at that, look at that. Look how creamy it is. Oh my god. My god. Phenomenal. That creaminess. I love it. Guys, try and make it. It's gonna be excellent. Fantastic pasta. Thanks to all of you that follow me. Italian Food Boss. Enjoy your meal. That's how it's done in Italia. Don't forget. Bye bye.